What if I needed to change all the paragraph styles that have intro in the style name from 11 points to 11.5 points? The quick way is to use search and styles, and to do that I'll open InDesign's Find Change, and in the Find What I'll type intro, and in the Change to keep that to intro. In the Find Format I'll search for 11 points, and in the Change Format I'll change that to 11.5. Okay, and that's done. I'm going to click on Done, and then I will open Search and Styles, and it lists all of the paragraph styles in the document that meet those criteria from 11 to 11.5. I'll click on Change All, and Done, and that's been done. And if we look in the paragraph styles panel, in the paragraph style definition, you can see that it's been redefined to be 11.5 points, and likewise all the other styles that had 11 and had intro in their name. So that's another great script from idextras.com.